Hi everybody, thank you for watching. For those of you guys that are new, my name is Carly, and today I filmed myself getting ready for a lunch date. I'm about to hit the road, but if you guys want to get ready with me and see how I got this hair and makeup look right here, then please keep watching. To start off today's look, I'm using the Natasha Denona Magic Primer. For foundation, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Coverage in the color Fair. And I'm going to blend that in with my damp beauty blender. I tried out some new skincare products last night and I have like bumps on my forehead. So weird. I hate that though when you try out like more than one product so you don't know what is the one doing this. I don't think this has ever happened to me before. It doesn't look like pimples, it looks like there's bumps. To contour my nose, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Beautiful Bronze. And for concealer, I'm using the light medium Shape Tape with a side of Bare Hair. And I'm gonna just blend that in with my beauty blender. So today I'm going to lunch with my grandma, and I figured why not film myself getting ready, do a little chit chat. I'm probably meeting her in about an hour or so, so I knew I had to get ready anyway. And yeah, I'm gonna apply a little bit more on the sides to blend out the nose contour. I think my favorite part of makeup is the nose. I feel like a lot of people don't spend the time on it like I do, but it's because when you don't love your nose and you know you can change it with makeup, it's like a necessity every time. To set my under eyes, I'm going to be mixing these two shades from my Shade and Light palette. Normally I use like a setting powder, but this way is a little bit quicker that I've found. So I'm going to blend out all the creases and then go in with those powders. Can't get over my forehead. With my small tapered brush and the lightest shade in the same Shade and Light palette, I'm going to go over the sides of my nose. Next, for brows, I'm going to go in with my Ebony Brow Wiz. With my lavender facial spray, I'm just going to spray my face. I swear this is my favorite part. I'm gonna go in with my Ebony Brow Powder, and I'm just gonna fill these brows in a little bit more. So for today's look, I'm gonna try out the new Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I literally just opened it. It's so fresh. I haven't even touched it yet. I have been dying to use this, so I can't wait to try some of these colors. First, I'm gonna go in with Orange Soda. Make sure you blend out any creases on your eyes. And I'm gonna apply that right into the crease. With my finger, I'm going to pick up the color Rose Pink. I'm going to apply that right onto my lid, like the outer half. Such a pretty color. I love this color. And then in the inner part, I'm going to pick up the color Glistening and apply that on the inner half. And just kind of mix them together. With my smaller blending brush and the color Sienna, I'm gonna apply, with these shadows a little bit goes a long way, so I'm just barely applying a little bit right into the crease. I'm gonna blend that up into the orange soda. And also all the way into my inner crease as well. Did you guys get any snow? We got so much snow. We got like 8 inches. So I'm gonna attempt to leave my house today. I should be good. I know the roads are fine. My driveway is just not paved yet, so it's like a winter wonderland out there. I'm going back in to the large one and I'm just gonna blend again. There's no new product on this brush. And then with my Morphe M170-4, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of the color Tempera. Is that how you pronounce it? And we're gonna apply that under the brows. And I'm also gonna apply that same color right into, I'm gonna actually use my finger, come out a little bit more pigmented, right into my tear duct. I really love how this looks, so I think that's it for the eyes on the top. I'm gonna go in with the color Dusty Rose and I'm gonna apply that on my lower lash line now. And I'm gonna apply a little eyeliner. And I just don't feel like me without eyeliner, honestly. Come here, Squeaky. Chai? Hi. Come say hi to my friends. My tiny little girl. Come say hi. Say, I'm such a big girl. 1 year old on February 18th. And I'm using the Tartiste Pencil by Tarte. Subtle wing for a lunch date, you know. For lashes, I'm using the Christina WSP. They're the perfect like daytime lash. If you guys have smaller eyes and you've tried these, maybe they're a little bit too big, I really recommend the Ardell Demi Wispies. They're very, very similar, but they're made for like smaller eyes. So for instance, my mom, she always sees me using these. She went out and bought them and they were just too much for her eye shape and her eye. So I told her about the Demi Wispies, and I don't know why I feel like I'm saying that weird, Demi Wispies. And they look so amazing on her. They look how these look on me. So just a little tip. For mascara, I'm using the Buxom Lash Mascara. It's like empty. I need to pick up a new one. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this white in my inner lash line. For blush, I'm using this cream blush from the Ashley Tisdale BH Cosmetics collab in the color Rosé, and I'm using my damp beauty blender, and I'm just gonna pick up a little bit and just dab it on. To highlight my nose, I'm using the Amrezi highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm so excited to try this. Like ridiculous. And I'm gonna apply a little bit on my cheeks. And then we're gonna go in with some bronzer. I'm using the Shade and Light palette, the middle shade. So I just realized I completely forgot bronzer. The guy just got here to plow my driveway. Hallelujah. For lips, I'm using the Jouy lip liner in Sienna. And then for gloss, I'm gonna be using the Champagne Dream Bellini Gloss by Becca. So pretty. Matches this eye makeup perfectly too. And I'm gonna add a little bit of this powdered orangey tone blush by Tarte.
Hello.
Hi, Grammy.
Hi, Carly. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Okay. What's cooking?
Nothing. I'll be done in probably like 30 minutes, and then I can head down towards you.
All right. So when you get here, I'm here.
Okay.
Yes. Would you be able to do me a favor and trim my hair while you're here?
Of course.
Okay. So come here first.
Okay.
And then we'll take it from there.
All right. Perfect.
All right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll see you when you get here.
Okay, love you.
All right, darling. Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
She's so cute. She's doing really good, by the way. She was in a bad accident, I think it was the end of January, but she's doing good. She's doing physical therapy. She wasn't good for a couple weeks. It was honestly scaring all of us, but she's doing good. So thank you to everyone who asked about her. I don't know what to do with this hair. So I think I'm gonna do a high pony. It's really annoying because I ran out of hair ties, so I only have like this big one. Can we take a second for my sweatshirt though? Je t'aime. I got matching sweatpants too. I'll show you guys the full outfit in a minute. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna do like a high pony today. I just don't have it in me. Oh look, my sweatshirt kind of matches the palette. So I'm just using like a brush like this to smooth it. I always like my ponies to be kind of messy. So it doesn't need to be perfect. Just want to get all the bumps down. Yay, I have a driveway again. So normally I would like flip my head upside down to keep it super tight, but I'm gonna try to do it like this just because I don't want to not be in frame. Gotta wrap it like 100 times. I could probably do one more, yes. I like to like keep like these little guys out. And I didn't even curl the back. I just braided my hair when I got out of the shower. So I kind of just have like natural waves. So I'm probably just gonna leave it, honestly. I like to bring like little baby hairs out so I don't look like I'm balding. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit. And then I have my texture spray. It's the triple sec. I'm just gonna spray in the back because I like my ponytail to be super fluffy. So this is just gonna add some texture. And I almost want like a little more orange in my lips. So I'm gonna take the color Tipsy and I'm just gonna add a little bit. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go hit the road, pick up my grandma, grab some lunch, and I don't really know what else I have planned for the rest of the day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Make sure to check back on my channel on Wednesday at 10 a.m. for another new video for you guys. I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. So this is the outfit. Super comfy. Look how cute the little bow details are. I'm obsessed. And of course, I had to grab my red sunnies to match. Bear, you're not gonna fit, bud. Bear, you're not gonna fit in there. This is not for you. It's a purse, and no, you're not gonna fit. I'm sorry, honey. Beryl. He's too much, I tell you. Cute guy. Hi. Look at this girl. Oh, look at her. Are you so sweet? Are you so sweet, my little petunia mama girl? So I am on my way to get Grammy. We're gonna grab some lunch and I'm gonna try and, I'm supposed to meet my little cousin to bring her for her birthday gift tomorrow, but my grandma lives with my aunt and my cousin, so I'm gonna see if I can take her today because I'm gonna be down there, so we shall see.
Like a rainy Sunday morning makes me wanna stay in bed, twisted up all day long.
Pulling up now. I hope at least the driveway is paved because I got sneakers on. What's up, kid? You're not happy? Why?
Because I have to do this.
Because he has to do this.
Oh, you have to help your parents? God forbid. Hello! 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 Hi! Grammy! Just cut Grammy's hair.
Yes,
And we're in matching sweatsuits.
absolutely. Absolutely.
Look at us with our little cute outfits. Wasn't even planned.
Yours is cuter than
No,
mine.
yours is.
Mine is from 1900.
Excuse me, are these wedge sneakers?
Yes. Who else is going to be in style but your
Grammy.
Those are snow boots.
Yeah, but do they have a wedge
They're
heel?
not snow boots. They're
No.
suede boots, but they're good for the snow because they're...
Where did you get them? I want a pair.
Had them though for a couple of years.
No, last year I got them. Probably Macy's or Lord & Taylor.
We're gonna be bad.
What got us being good?
All right, let's walk slow.
Yeah.
It's probably icy.
Where you going?
My car in the driveway.
Oh, okay.
Bye.
You could go up and go around Gal.
I know. No,
What'd you
I'll
say?
just turn. You're going the wrong way.
Yeah.
I'll just make a quick
right.
turnsy.
We've been there a few times. Even if I feel like a hamburger,
Yeah.
that delicious thick hamburgers. Whatever you want, you can get there. Which
Yeah,
is good,
I know.
you
I love that. I love
Yeah.
it. Like, I think I got sushi last time, which was nice.
Dana's last week
Mm-hmm.
to her thrifty, what do you call it? The tricky tray.
Tricky tray.
The sangria was flowing like nothing. You know, pitches and pitches of sangria.
Ooh.
But stupid me, I was on my
Medicine. Yeah.
so I was afraid. I had one drink.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
But I really was afraid because the doctor had said to me, "Don't you dare drink while you're taking the medicine."
Right.
But it was flowing like crazy.
Really?
Yeah.
It's so funny. You want me to drop you off?
No, you could. We can go right. Oh, I thought that was a
Yeah.
spot. Yeah, no, I can
Sure?
walk. I need the exercise.
Okay. Cheers! Yum. Graham, have you ever heard of a boomerang?
Yeah, it's that thing like an arrow at the shoot. It's called a boomerang.
No, a boomerang for like Instagram. Have you heard of that?
No.
Okay, well, let's do one. So what we do, so we're gonna go like, we'll cheers it. Yeah. And then I'll show you what it looks like. Ready? 1, 2.
Cheers.
You see how it plays like a little,
Oh, look at that.
cute, right? Yeah.
That's cute.
It's a boomerang.
That's a boomerang.
So that's what we call a boomerang in 2018. Did you enjoy your lunch?
I love my lunch.
You loved
I
it?
loved it. They don't even have to wash the plate. I cleaned it so good. So we're going to get a warm chocolate chip fudge brownie,
How could I have guessed?
vanilla ice cream, and chocolate drizzle.
Oh, and chocolate?
Yeah.
A little more chocolate on the side?
Chocolate on the side.
Perfect.